Everyone is worried about carbon emissions and greenhouse effects. Information technology, and especially the cloud and all of the cloud development which we are doing, is one of the major contributor when it comes to this carbon emission. Have you ever wondered if your favorite programming language is eco-friendly or not? This interesting idea is actually from a serious paper which delves into a study that examines the runtime, memory usage, and energy consumption of 27 popular languages as shown on your screen. This study conducted experiments by solving 10 different programming problems in each of these languages and analyzed the performance. Some intriguing findings from the study, such as slower language might consume less energy, while faster languages are the opposite, as well as how memory usage influences energy consumption. The paper also discusses the complexity of comparing software languages since performance is influenced by factors such as compilers, virtual machines, garbage collectors, and available libraries. It, it categorized the languages based on execution type and programming paradigm and provided rankings for each variable. I will also be putting the link to that paper. And if just a fun fact is that the languages which I use, they appear to be in the bottom or the least eco-friendly, which is actually worrying me. For example, Python is at 75.88 energy level, which is quite high. But the thing is that most of the languages which are very fast, but and they are quite energy efficient, they are at the very they're not really being used in the general purpose programming these days. Which one is your language and where it ranks? Please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.